Hello, this is English for Construction. Let's get started with the day number 18, specialized materials. Okay, let's go.
Insulate.
Insulate. To use a material to cover or go around the surface of something in order to prevent heat, electricity, etc. from escaping or entering. You should better insulate the building during construction. Thermal insulation is the reduction of heat transfer between objects in thermal contact or in range of radiative influence. The thermal insulation is also applied for walls of the private room. Soundproofing is any means of reducing the sound pressure with respect to a specified sound source and receptor. Soundproofing materials can help relieve the stress caused by unwanted noise. Waterproofing is making an object virtually impervious to water. The outer basement wall was sealed with a waterproofing membrane. Mineral wool is made from molten glass, stone, or slag that is spun into a fiber-like structure. Mineral wool is one of the best insulating material. Insulate. Thermal insulation. Soundproofing. Waterproofing. Mineral wool. You should better insulate the building during construction. The thermal insulation is also applied for walls of the private room. Soundproofing materials can help relieve the stress caused by unwanted noise. The outer basement wall was sealed with a waterproofing membrane. Mineral wool is one of the best insulating material. Okay, great. As always, watch this video as much as you can until you feel comfortable saying every single word in the video. And share with your friends, then learn together. And don't forget to click subscribe button below to learn more about the English for Construction. Thanks a lot, and I will see you next time. Enjoy. Bye-bye.